Hello. Describing famous people. Nelson Mandela was born in South Africa in Tucson, 918. He was he was a leader against apartheid, a segregation policy that discriminated against African natives. He and his friends were in prison. After 27 years, Mandela was president began 1994 and 1999. During its presidency, he and a group of leaders were promoters promoters of equality and an enemy of poverty. He was a leader of the reconciliation. He was the winner of the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. 93. Next picture. There are Mom and Dad. There are Mom and Dad. Here we are in Montenegro. Quindío Active National Coffee Park. This place am I amazing. Yesterday we were at the Soap al Dive. The sun was very strong and it was very hot. The lines were long, but the rides and the shows were fun. The park was 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 crawling, but at the people were friendly and polite. Our favorite place was the Fibers Garden. The fireworks of night were beautiful. It was great for us, but Daniel was ready off and the tire at the on at the end of the day. We miss you a lot. Love Daniela and Salome. Thank you.